Identify A, B, C in morula. Identify A, B, C in morula. This is the picture of human egg, the stage of morula. What are the parts here given? A, B, C. We have to identify. Answer is second one. A is blastocele. B is trophoectoderm. C is inner cell mass. There are different stages after fertilization. The egg cell will be appears in gastrula, morula, and trophoblast, myoblast, epiblast. So these are the different stages. In the morula stage, what are the parts? A is blastocele, B is trophoectoderm,